Hello, Leslie here with another plan with me. We're doing the week of September 13th to the 19th. This is going up a little late because I decided to bump another plan with me last week and do that one. So things got a little behind because today is actually the 13th. But I thought we'd go ahead and plan that day as well. So let's go ahead and get started so I can put some stuff in my planner. So I did go ahead and put the date covers down. I'm not going to put like date dots on here and white it out. I thought I would just let the numbers kind of grow up out of the grass there. So we do have glitter headers I may or may not use. We do have washi, which I'm probably going to cut up. And then we do have a bunch of full boxes and half boxes and a sidebar checklist or a full box checklist. I'm not sure because there's 6 here. So I'm not sure. Okay, I know I want the grow sticker as my theme sticker. I am very much aware of that one. That one's going here. Real quick. Put that down. And then there is a dinner's like header sticker. So I thought I would use that. And put that down. I skip a little bit of space. And then I figured with that one. Ooh, where's my voice going? Sorry, guys. That was weird. With that one, I would just go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then tonight we actually had called roast, right? Okay. Roast. Not something we eat very often. So I'm just going to put dinners. There's that. And then usually I do a grocery list. I think I'm just going to do a short grocery list. I like this little 3-heart checklist here. And I think I want that to be my to buy checklist. So we're just going to skip down one in case for some reason I want to write something else. And then put this here, create a little bit more space. I think that looks good there. And then, well, I was thinking about doing another sticker down here, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, and then as far as like checklisty stuff goes, I know I did 3 things today. So I thought I would go ahead and just use a half box and a quarter box probably. I'll use a half box and this quarter box. Nothing too big deal. Like normal errandy kind of things. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this one here. Put that one there. And then we'll do this one up here. Yeah. And then we'll do a full box down below. I think that's where I want it to go. I don't need an open one. Filled in one is fine. I do like these little gnomes, so they have to come on here. I have a mushroom there, which is brown, but I don't see any other brown background, so that's not a big deal. All right, let's grab this one. And I think mostly because I think it'll go with the quote that I have picked out from that Color Story sticker book that I flipped through last week. I found this one, and I feel like it's got a lot of similar colors. It's got greens and blues, and it says, "Great things are going to happen." And I liked it, so I think it's going to go here. So if I put this here a little bit, I'm wondering, because the length of it is kind of the problem right now, because it's going to run into that one. I wonder if I put this over here and then I put this here, if that'll look okay. I think it will, but I want this to go away. I want to go ahead and get my whiteout pen and color this in just a little to get it out of the way of my full box and quote sticker that I decided I wanted to use. Okay, that. We did end up going to Staples today, so got that errand done. Tomorrow, my son's supposed to have a haircut appointment. I need to let that dry a minute. It doesn't like it if you don't let it dry. As far as if I'm gonna need, let's see, probably do checklist for tomorrow, or at least a quarter, at least. Okay, we're gonna go over to where that stops. Put that there. And then the quote sticker. I'm gonna come down here and go over just a little bit. Okay. Nice. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm done with that. That was the only thing I really wanted to pull from there, actually. And then if we go into this corner over here, I think I want to use this one. Rip the side of that. It's fine. It doesn't need to be there, apparently. Okay, I want to go here with this. I cover up that line? Maybe so. Just by like a little bit, maybe. Put that there. Okay. And then, so I know he has a hair appointment, which I don't think there's a scissor sticker. No, but I have one. All right, let's grab, since it's for him, let's grab a red one. Do that one. And then his appointment is after school. I don't know if I want to put those right next to each other. That feels kind of weird. Usually I stagger. Stagger a little bit. There. I like that. Okay, so as far as tomorrow, that's kind of all I have fully planned out, other than like chores and stuff. So then Wednesday, not a lot going on either, but I already have a full box down. So I kind of want to do a half box. Do a decorative half box because I did this blue one because I did a plain one there. I'm thinking I want to grab some of this bottom washi. I want to go this way. Grab a chunk of it maybe? Yeah. I think a chunk of it. We'll put this one here. I'll probably end up whiting out the other half of that just to get rid of it. Let's go ahead and grab this. Go ahead and cut a chunk off of it. Turn it into a ribbon effect. Just a little bit. Not too much. I promise I'm not cutting up too many stickers this one and this one. It's been a while, I feel like, since I've used a actual sticker kit. Okay, so I think I want it to be about there. Right where the room is. I think so. Stick that on me. It's fine. We'll use it later, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down with this one so I still don't lose all my space in my box. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Probably won't use that chunk. It's kind of an awkward chunk. It's an awkward chunk. Okay, Thursday, I don't think too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Friday is his picture day. I know that much. Okay, I really like this little home picture. That one's adorable. So I need the little gnome house. I think I want to put this one probably up here. Cover up that line. Goal is to cover up all those lines. That's kind of my planning style. All right, but Thursday we'll probably have some things to do. So let's go ahead and do a to-do right here. Cover up that one. Why not? And then I did a red box. Let's do the green. Put some green on there. I like it. I do actually have a gnome on my front porch. He's from my grandma. And he has like a little hole under him. So occasionally he does have spiders. I'm not going to lie. So we do have to like watch out for him. He can be kind of tricky in that regard. Okay. So we're going to have just a quarter box there. I might end up adding a half box. I'm not sure. I do want to have a half box for his picture day so I can write picture day. I think this orange decorative one would be cute. I'm thinking I want to do that. His picture day is right in the middle of the day. So I think right here is good. And then I wanted to kind of layer some of these in because I really like the leaves. And I really like this blue. That's very much the same as the washi though. It's just like a zoomed in version of it. So I like this one. I think I want this one together. I think so. So if I'm doing that, should I put it up there together? I'm thinking so. Okay. Oh, I do have a weekend banner. Well, that can go down below, right? I'll just put that down below. It will be fine. Okay, and we'll stagger this one over just a little bit. Is that straight? Who knows? I don't know. All right, and my cat is running around like a crazy person. Of course she is. Okay, this one's going to go here. Effectively covering up that line. Oh, it goes over just a little bit because it's for the Erin Condren. I got to kind of even it out. There, that works. I don't have to shorten it. That's not happening. Okay, it's the weekend. Here's a checklist. I like to have a weekend checklist. I think you guys have gotten that from me. I'm going to call it important. And I've been kind of just putting it down the middle. Where's the middle of important? Is that the R? Yeah. And I eyeball it with the R. Put that there. Put this down here. I like it. Maybe we will use that chunk. Like right there. Maybe a little bit of it. What do I do? What do I do? Like this part? Is that not wide enough? No, that looks funky. Not a fan. Not a fan of it. Okay. And then I didn't use any more bottom washi, but I think that's okay. I do like this little girl though. Little girl gnome. And I feel like I need her. So I think I'm going to go down here and put that one down here. Yeah, I like that. And then half box, I kind of ignored the half box, didn't I? I've ignored it. All right, we have this cute decorative one. That can go here for something that's on Sunday, like actually happening on Sunday. And then we'll do this leafy quarter box up here. That'll be good. And then there is some more checklists. We could do another like half checklist, but I feel like I already have my weekend checklist and then there's a checklist. Then I kind of don't want another one. I think we'll just use a half box and a quarter box maybe. Put a quarter box over here. Then as far as another half box goes. Okay, so I know I'm probably gonna have another something right here. So let's put that there. Okay. I think that looks kind of good. I think so. I'm gonna go ahead and white out, I think, these little chunks that are kind of showing through because this color, I don't think the color really matches. I don't think it's super distracting, but I think I'd like the freedom of like not having them there. So I think coloring them in for me is good, but you do you. Occasionally I use white out, but that's if I'm going to cover it up with washi tape. This one I'm using the pen just because I don't plan on like covering it up. If I do, it'll be a sticker probably. I didn't grab washi for this plan with me. I know, who is this person? I was trying to mix it up. You know, because not everybody plans with washi. You don't have to. I know some of you are like, what? Who is this? Well, occasionally I do different things. Okay, I'm liking that. These lines don't bother me as much as like the big thick ones, which I did notice in the like new release of planner stickers that okay, I'm thinking about doing something else with this. I want to cut it, but I want to like hang it down here. No, I don't want that one. I changed my mind. Not this one. I'm going to use a full box. Oh, I need habit trackers. That's what I need. I just saw them and I was like, oh yeah. So I started putting vitamins in my other planner. So this one is just reading. So we can just put this here. And then I probably shouldn't have not cut that chunk. No, I think it's fine. I'll put this chunk down here. How about that? Nope, it looks funny. It looks a little funny. I don't like it. So we will use this. I will cut it down to about there. And hope I can get it mostly straight. It's fine if I don't. It's not a huge deal. I was just trying to cover it up. What I'm not using. There. All right, I'm liking that. Okay, so as far as things I got done today, I did pack my lunch. I pack my lunch pretty much every day, but I did pack lunch. I packed well, my husband kind of pre-made it for me. It's a steak salad. And then we did do some dishes. These are from, oh, I didn't say the other one. This one's Sweet Ava's paper. This one is Pippa Does Dishes from Mad Hatter Sticker Co. And then this one's from the sticker patch. I did clean the litter box today. Go me. More chores. I'm going to write where I went today. This is going to be my chores box, I think. Is there a chores header to clean? Okay, we'll do that one. That works. Things I had to clean today. That works. That's fine. All right, and then I had to run an errand. I had to go to Staples. Which one looks like Staples? None of them. I guess we'll use the grocery cart. Definitely didn't use a cart. Nope. Okay. I think that's it for that. And then I didn't use the glitter headers. Probably could have. Jean Day. We always have Jean Day on Fridays. Here, we'll put a little bit of stickers on this. How about that? Okay. The Jean Day stickers are from Raindrops on Paper Co. on Etsy as well. And so on my leftovers, I have a full box, some washi. We could use trash night. Trash night is Wednesdays. Put that down here, I guess. And then, as far as other things, not really. I don't think so. No doctor, hopefully. I think that's it. Yeah. And then I didn't end up using the glitter headers. I could like throw them in and cover up and use them as washi if I wanted to. So we'll see if I end up doing that. Okay, let's pick out our planner clips. I want the green one because I have a little green girl gnome. Okay. So now I'm thinking I need to design a girl gnome clip for sure. And then I have a red gnome, which I called this my Santa gnome, and that one came out in my shop for Christmas in July. I thought that would be funny. And then I have my little mushroom. So I have my little mushroom. This is the coral mushroom. And then I think I'm going to throw in the fall mushroom too. This is my fall mushroom. It's got rose gold on it and cream, and I really like it. And then I think we have the word grow. Maybe my grow mug. How about that? I'm trying to see what I have that matches. What do I have that matches? Okay. And I think that's good. I think that's good. I'm not going to cover up the word September. We're going to leave that there. I think that's it for my planner spread and my happy planner this week. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out any on my future plan with me's and videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.